Today we're going to talk about the foam box. So this is the smallest, easiest foaming system on the market today. It's compatible with brushing machines. It can be used to clean canopies, fans, and obviously with a brushing machine, ductwork. So let me just show you the simple features of the foam box. So we've kept it as simple as possible. You've got rinse and you've got foam. So it's as simple as you hold the trigger with a foaming nozzle on. We're already connected to a pre-mixed chemical. We're going to foam. Pull your trigger, you get instant foam. So once you've applied the foam to the system, if you ever need to rinse it down, you don't always need to rinse because the chemical we use has got lots of surfactant in it. It takes away most of the residue with it. So on the instances where you do need to rinse, you can turn onto rinse mode and you can change the nozzles with different type of rinsing nozzles, from a fine pinprick to wider to cover bigger areas, and it's got more pressure. We've made the machine so a rinse you've got quite a high pressure, so it can be used for cleaning floors, splashbacks and other areas. So it comes on a trolley, easy to manoeuvre about, so anywhere in the kitchen, to manoeuvrability is so simple. But if you do need to take it onto a roof, it's a simple process. You can just carry the box. It weighs 14 kilos, so it's quite easy to get into difficult areas, into plant rooms, on roofs. The hose, you can connect up to 30 meters. So you can even leave the foam box on the floor and 30 meters away you can be foaming, rinsing and cleaning. It is that simple to use. We do it in 110 version and we do it in 240, so whatever you require. And we've also, our new feature is simple. On the top we've got a QR code. You simply scan the QR code and you can get to our training video. So I'll show you how simple it is. There you go, straight into our training video. Step-by-step instruction from start to finish on how to use the foam box. So I hope that simple demonstration there shows you how versatile, easy to use and how innovative we are at hair cleaning technology. What we want to do is make cleaning as safe and simple as possible, and on a night when your guys are cleaning, they want to know they've got the full support. We've got a full training video straight through the QR code that will be on every machine. Thank you very much for listening.